This is going to be a quick one. Are you making this bookkeeping mistake? I see it all the time from a lot of business owners, and it can cost you with time and money. The good news is it's easy to fix if you know what to do. So let's break it down. One of the biggest mistakes that business owners make is commingling their assets. What does commingling mean? Your personal and your business income or expenses, you're using one bank account. So I go to the grocery store, I buy groceries for my home and use my business card. That is commingling. This is something that so many business owners do, and it is a tax nightmare. At the end of the year, you're going to spend a lot of time trying to figure out what was personal and what was business. So it's hard to track those deductible expenses for tax time. Also, it is chaos for bookkeepers. We will have to contact you a lot more to figure out, was this for personal or was this for business? Or if you're doing this alone, you will have to remember what's personal and what's business. But if you're waiting until the end of the year to do that, you're not going to remember every deduction. And so that may save you money. Excuse me, that may lose you money. The other thing is the liability. So you may have created an LLC, a limited liability company. What that means is you are telling them you are separating your personal and you have your own business over here separate from your personal. If you start commingling and you are ever sued, what may happen is the judge, the court system may look at all your transactions and say, well, you're treating your business and your personal as one. So the person suing you, go ahead and go after their personal assets as well. It's called piercing the corporate veil. Now, I'm not an attorney, but that is my understanding of that. If you are starting to commingle all of your transactions, income as well as expenses. So stop doing it. Okay, on a serious note, I say stop doing that, but that is actually one of my onboarding questions for my clients. Are you currently commingling your expenses? And some business owners will tell me yes. And so the next question will be, are you willing to separate them? And I have received mixed answers. No, I'm not willing to separate them right now. Or yes, I'm working on that. So then we work on getting those expenses separated. Now, the reason why that's so important is some business owners think it's no big deal, but it can be a big deal during tax time, like we discussed, and where we can't find half of their expenses and they're missing the opportunity to make expenses deductible for them. So I definitely want you to ask yourself, are you guilty of commingling your funds from your personal and your business? And are you willing to stop? Now, if you are willing to stop commingling, here's the breakdown on how to get started. Number one, open up a separate bank account. Separate business account will definitely help you. Pay yourself an owner's draw or payroll, depending on what entity. Make sure you have a standard procedure. So if you want to pay yourself out of your business account, do a ACH from your business to your personal account every week, every month. Have it standardized, okay? Or write yourself a check from the business account to your personal account. There's that separation of personal and business, and that's how you can pay yourself without commingling. Instead of taking that debit card and swiping the business card saying, well, this is the way I'm going to pay myself, okay? The other thing, of course, is QuickBooks to track everything. It'll track it automatically. You can set up your banking feed to have all your expenses going in there. That way, you're not waiting until the end of the year to figure out, was this personal expense or what was this expense for? I will have a link below if you are wanting to sign up for QuickBooks. It is 3 months at 30% discount. It is a referral link, so I would get a kickback for that. And reach out to me if you're needing assistance with setting up QuickBooks. Now, if you are commingling your funds, you can start now. Start fixing the problem now. work with your bookkeeper to clean it up, give me a call. We can walk through some of the steps. I'm more than willing to help out. Commingling funds might seem harmless right now, but it can save you time, money. Um, you need to get into the habit now. I understand it can be hard to get out of that habit of, oh, it's not a big deal swiping your business card when you're on a dinner date, for example. But clean it up now. If you clean it up now, you're going to get better reports. So not only are you saving money, but you're going to understand your business a little bit better. So I want to ask you, are you making this mistake? And what steps are you going to take to make that correction? I will never leave you without giving you a document to help you out. So there is a checklist down below. If you like this type of content, please subscribe, like this video, and share with other business owners. Until next time, thank you very much and have a great day.